How to check recently viewed tweets on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can check your recently viewed tweets on X, also known as Twitter. So here it's not super simple, but I will walk you through step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. So here, imagine that you are scrolling through your feed, watching a couple of videos and liking some posts, and maybe interacting with different tweets. Now here, if you want to go back and see all of that history, here is what you need to do. So here, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Settings and Support and then tap on Settings and Privacy. And now here, once you are inside, you'll see a list of options. So go ahead and choose your account at the very top. And now here, look for the option that says download an archive of your data. So here, unfortunately, this is the only way to access your watch or tweet history. So Twitter doesn't have a quick built-in history section. So here at this point, you'll be asked to confirm your identity by entering your email, username or phone number, and after that, you simply have to type in your password, and you might be even need to complete a two-factor verification using a code from your text messages. And once you're through the security process, you'll see the option to request your archive. So simply tap on request archive and Twitter will start preparing a zip file that includes all your data like your tweets, activity, interest, and yes, your watch history. And once you're done with that, you'll get a notification in the app as well as email once your archive is ready to download. And from there, you can just save it to your iPhone or Android device and unzip the file, and you will be able to go through all your recently viewed tweets and videos. Like I said, it's a bit a long process since Twitter doesn't give us a direct shortcut, but this is the official way to get it done. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.